Hi, this is Alan Smith here. It is January 10th, 2011. We're here at Busch Gardens to check out the Cheetah Hunt Rollercoaster construction update. Take a tour of the park and see what's going on. Here's a good area right here to see a view of the track. We're by the train station. We're here on top of the Crown Colony restaurant, looking down on the construction of the Cheetah Hunt Rollercoaster. The station and the workers performing their task to get this job done so we can all ride the ride. We are about to take a ride on the Serengeti Express, viewing the coaster from all different angles of this train that goes through the whole entire park.
We have a really great coaster coming in here in the spring. It's going to be called Cheetah Hunt. Cheetah Hunt is actually going to be interactive with live cheetahs. It's going to be a very fast ride and a very long ride for a coaster. So today you can take a ride on Cheetah Hunt. Just go to www.cheetahhunt.com and get a virtual ride on Cheetah Hunt. Over on the left-hand side, Edge of Africa, where we have our lions.
That's a horse for pajamas.
If you look to the back of the train on the left-hand side, you see the Grevy zebra stripes. They are dark brown in color. What's unique about the zebra, when they give birth, that mother will separate the baby from the rest of the herd until that baby can identify the mother by sight, sound, and smell. The zebra and antelope on the right is very close to the train. They are the largest of the antelope species. Despite their largeness, they weigh up to 1 ton. The train is our south belt. You'll see our reticulated giraffe over there. They reach a height of 18 feet. Over on the right is part of this is part of the Cheetah Hunt coaster that will be interactive with actual live cheetahs, right-hand side of the train. If you're all the way up at the front of the train on the right-hand side, you may be able to see the entrance to Rhino Rally, the Jeep-type vehicle that takes you out among the animals. Also, all the way up at the front of the train on the right-hand side, you can see our elephants. We do have Asian elephants here at Busch Gardens. You know those baby elephants when they're born? Take a guess how much they weigh. Would you believe between 200 and 250 pounds.
Well, as you can see, I'm going to have to cut this short. Wish I could show you more, but there's a major storm coming with lightning, so I'm getting out of here before I get stuck here and get soaking wet. Last picture of the Cheetah Hunt and the storm behind it. We'll update this again in maybe another few weeks to a month. Alan Smith here. Come out and enjoy yourself when it opens.